Brad, over to you.
All right, taking a look at the major averages as we are 30 minutes into today's trading session almost at this point. We're seeing the Dow Jones Industrial Average still hold on to gains. And here's what I wanted to put in context for you. This past 5-day move, we're still holding up by about 4.4% there with today's add-on of about 1.25%. NASDAQ Composite Tech-Heavy Average struggling to get into the same type of move that we've seen for the Dow and the S&P 500, but still up on the day, holding on to gains of about 0.2%. Intraday here, we did see some early waffling out of the gate. Yeah, that's your W to give you that waffling oscillation action. But also the S&P 500, you're seeing that up by about 1% right now. No testing of that flat line. It has just been up in the green, off to the races here. Also, speaking of off into the races, we are off into the races with earnings season. As of right now, we've got big tech coming out this week. We've also got in the autos landscape, Ford and GM. That's set to come out. Of course, Tesla. Last week, we broke that down for you. But taking a look at Ford here on the day, it's up by about 2.5% to kick off the week. Also taking a look at GM, you're seeing that up by about 1.5%. So GM, they're going to be reporting on Tuesday. Ford, that's going to come on Wednesday as well. And so those two companies certainly going to be in focus. GM stumbled out of the gate this morning, was negative for a moment, but now steadily in positive territory, up by about 1.5%. And then also just taking a look at some of the other autos here as well. You've got Rivian that's actually down by about 3% this morning. Keep a close eye on RIVN. And then lastly here, Lucid, NIO. You're seeing NIO down by 17%, excuse me. And so we'll keep a close eye on NIO as well as we move on throughout the rest of today's trading session.